Hello dear friends, now you can see another selection of a massive product from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description box of the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell buttons. So let's go. Top 5 Best Mini Blender Review. Number 1. Elite Gourmet EPB 1800 Blender. The Maxi-Mag Elite Gourmet EPB 1800 Power Blender is an ideal choice for the home cook who is on the go. It allows you to create a variety of nutritious fruit and vegetable drinks and shakes in minutes. It features a powerful 300-watt motor and a 1-speed operation that allows you to easily blend drinks. The blender also comes with 5 durable drink lids and 5 24-ounce capacity cups. The cups have a spill-proof, snap-on lid and are BPA-free plastic. The blender also features a dip-proof, locking power cord for secure storage. The plastic jar is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. It comes with a chopping and blending blade that can be used to cut up fruits or ice cubes. The blade is dishwasher-safe. The Elite Gourmet Blender allows you to create healthy, nutritious smoothies and shakes for nutrition on the go. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Blender. If you've been waiting for a chance to break into the cocktail and smoothie making game, this personal blender from Hamilton Beach is exactly what you've been looking for. This blender has a 175-watt motor that can power through the thickest smoothie mixes and handles ice and frozen fruit with ease. Its large, 14-ounce jar is easy to use, and the mug-sized cups it comes with make it easy to serve your creations. It even has a handy recipe book to get you started. The Hamilton Beach Personal Blender comes with a single-serve blender, 2 cups, and a travel blender cup. Friends just can't say no to homemade smoothies. Number 3. Magic Bullet Blender. Magic Bullet is the most versatile blender on the market. It's small and compact, but has the strength of a full-size blender. It's perfect for smoothies and shakes, chopping nuts, grinding coffee beans, making purees and more. The mini twister jar is perfect for shakes, smoothies, salsas and more. The cross blade easily blends the toughest ingredients, while the flat blade makes fluffy omelets and quick scrambles. Use the mini twister jar to grind coffee and spices, make guacamole, salsa and more. The blender has a powerful 600-watt motor that pulverizes ice into snow and can make a variety of recipes and smoothies. There are 2 1-cup, 240 ml jars, 1 11-cup, 2.6L plastic jar and 1 16-ounce, 480 ml plastic jar. It comes with 1 mini blade, 1 cross blade, 2 blending cups with lids, mini twister jar and an instruction and recipe book. Number 4. Frigidaire ESM100 Cream Blender. Introducing the Retro Smoothies Maker Blender by Frigidaire. Outfitted with a retro design, this blender is the perfect choice for blending up your favorite concoctions. With a generous 300-watt motor, this blender will pulverize fruits and vegetables into a delicious, fruity smoothie, shake, or protein drink. Plus, the blender's BPA-free tumbler with 1-liter capacity is double-walled, allowing you to serve your drinks directly from the container. It's even perfect for serving your favorite iced tea or lemonade. The blender's sleek design with creamy white color easily complements any kitchen decor. Number 5. OSTER BLSTPB-WBL Blender. A blender built with performance and convenience in mind. The OSTER BLSTPB-WBL My Blend 250-watt blender with travel sport bottle is ideal for smoothies, soups, sauces, tips, and any other blended drinks or foods you can think of. The portable bottle features a top-rack dishwasher-safe lid that makes it easy to clean. Simply fill it with your favorite drink, attach it to the blender, and you can enjoy your drink at work, school, or on the go. It includes a 20-ounce bottle with a secure lid and a built-in carry handle. The powerful 250-watt motor is ideal for making frozen drinks, margaritas, and smoothies, and its one-touch pulse dial makes it easy to switch from one setting to another. With its stainless steel blades, this blender chops and mixes ingredients quickly and easily. The blend of plastic and glass is sturdy, yet lightweight for maximum portability. This black blender has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any countertop and makes a great gift for any occasion. Thanks for watching my video.